All day around these parts. Got the gas mask. You know, it smells pretty bad around here. Cesspools and stuff clogging. So got the gas mask.
You guys can't hear me at all, probably, but you got the gas mask. And I can actually breathe here pretty good.
What I said there is I can breathe in here pretty good. So, yeah, it's a normal day. And it says filter too. So, I actually kind of survived a nuclear attack. So, got this from like a military surplus store. Yeah. So, yeah. Chin up the gas mask. Normal day around here.
Say bye.